shot in the right-hand lane. Sorry about that. Right-hand lane gets 200 seconds to start. In the right-hand lane, however, at 013, and both drivers break out, coming in under their dial in time for left over